So now VLC officially has dark mode, which you can enable and replace the default look, making interactions with the app much more pleasant on your eyes and fitting the dark theme of your windows. So as you can see here, the latest version 3.0.23 and onwards should have the dark mode. Now here I downloaded the 64-bit version. Once you download it, we just go ahead and go through the installation process. Now once the installation is done, we run the app. By default, VLC will be white, so dark mode is something that we will have to enable. First, I will be adding some tracks, so I'll show you how it looks like with the tracks added. And based on this playlist look, I'll go ahead and add a folder with music. Now that it's loading all the tracks, this is how it looks by default. Now to change to the dark look, we go to the Tools on the top tab. Then we go to Preferences. In Preferences, we can select here this option, Use a Dark Palette. And this is how it looks, but the title bar is still going to be white. So to fix this, all we have to do is just press on Save here down below, then restart VLC, then everything should match. Now a little issue I noticed with this theme is that when you have many tracks in the playlist, the side scroll bar is barely visible. So a fix for this is to go to the Tools, then Preferences, go to this option right here, Force Window Style, and change it to the one you like the most. I like this one with this retro old school look, but you don't have to use any of them if the scroll bar doesn't bother you. Now for people that already have VLC and they want this dark look on their newest version, all they can do is just download the latest version from the website, then go through its installation process, and it should let you upgrade keeping all your settings.